This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious quinoa salad at home. First, let's get our quinoa ready. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water, then combine it with 2 cups of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff it with a fork. Next, we'll prepare our fresh vegetables to add vibrant colors and textures to our salad. Dice 1 cucumber into small pieces and have 1 pint of cherry tomatoes. Finely chop about 1/2 cup of fresh parsley and mint. For a subtle bite, slice 1/4 of a red onion very thinly. These fresh ingredients are key to a fantastic quinoa salad. Now, let's create a simple yet flavorful lemon vinaigrette to dress our salad. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, incorporate 1 clove of minced garlic for that wonderful aromatic depth. This dressing truly brightens the dish. Finally, it's time to bring everything together and enjoy our delicious creation. Gently combine the cooled, fluffy quinoa with all your beautifully chopped vegetables in a large bowl. Pour the prepared lemon vinaigrette over the mixture. Toss everything thoroughly to ensure every ingredient is evenly coated. You can serve it immediately, or for even better flavors, chill it for about 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade quinoa salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.